we go. It's a little better. We are here out in the field that we've been trying to get baled for quite some time. Due to weather, it's been kind of difficult, but here we are. I came out yesterday and raked it and looked at it, and then got the baler hooked up and made a few bales, and they were close. Plus, it was like 6 o'clock, so it was already kind of late. So I figured might as well just get out here with a little bit earlier. We're starting. It's about noon, and yeah, let's see how many bales we can make. This should go pretty well. So right here with our handy dandy moisture meter, we're going to probe a couple of these bales and see what we get here. 14.1 acceptable. 10.2 acceptable. 15.4 acceptable. 12.4, these are good. So now I'll kind of just probe the bale without actually pushing the button. And what you can do, you'll feel how tight the probe goes into the bale. You kind of place it in there. You can see how easy it goes in or doesn't. When it goes in kind of hard, like right there, 16.3. You can find the wet spots that I actually push in the buttons. We're gonna walk and check a couple more bales. Because it's really tight when you hit a wet spot. When it's dry like it should be, it does pretty good. So you can feel this bale is just dry, is light. It's gonna be 11.6. I can tell. 9.8. Ends real light. Real light. I backed the pressure off when I got started because things were wet. So it's a very good possibility that we need to increase the weight. 13.6. 11.7. Yeah, they feel good. $17, 14. I can feel it real tight going in right there. 17. It's this end right here. This was like a thicker end, you know. See the bale's kind of funny made too. A little bit off shaped. 13.6. Yeah, those are good. That's a good weight. Feels good. Feels good. Looks good. I like it. I think we're gonna keep baling. We'll get out and check in another 20 bales. $22.4. $21.9. See, that's no good. We find that 18. We'll move around a little bit, right around at 16. So right, 12. So right here inside of there somewhere, there's probably a wet spot. .7, yeah, it's right here. So $14, $12. Okay. So just one spot, not bad. It's just a clump that just didn't dry out, a big patch of clover. Who knows what it was? Something got raked and tedded and raked and then never got it out and dry. A lot of the spots that are heavy in the windrow that are sitting here on this wet ground, you know, right now the moisture isn't in the air anymore, it's all in the ground. So the last 2 days it has been fairly sunny, the weather's been good, but now the ground, you know, still isn't dry. It takes a long time for the ground to dry. So every morning the dew comes on. Like if I'd have been up here like, you know, 7, 8 o'clock, this stuff would have been like saturated wet, like almost feel like it got rained on. So one of the reasons it looks the way that it does is the water that gets in and out helps it rot faster. One of the reasons we like to get it out of the field more quickly. But hey, we're making hay. It looks like it's going to be decent hay. Check up more here. 9.6. 12.2. Yeah, these are good. 12.9. We're going to keep baling. We're going to go with it. Here we go. Done baling for the day. The dew set in. The sun went down over there finally, and I only got about 20 minutes or so, maybe 30 minutes of baling after the sun went down. Once the sun goes down, the dew comes on, everything gets sticky. The baler started chugging hard. It actually wrapped up around the auger, not real tight or anything, but the hay just gets sticky and doesn't run. I broke 2 bales. I think that was right there at the end. So I think those were those bales. Broken bales are due to the fact that the dew's on. So no more baling, almost done. Got a couple hundred bales in this field, and got a couple hundred bales in that field. Let's see what we actually did here. We are at 1,149. All right, broke 1,000 bales. That's not bad. Alright, there we go. This project's done. All these bales baled up out here. All of them, including the ones all the way over there. And the total amount is 1,540. So, not bad. Not bad. Used a lot more twine. That was a lot more bales than I thought I was going to use. Yeah, pretty much running out. That one's out. That one's almost out. That one's out, and that one's really low. So, I guess the right thing to do would be to go buy 2 more rolls. Top this thing off for. Okay. So, cool. Let's get the pickup hooked up and then take the baler back to the shop, get it blown off, and then so my dad can use it.